If you want to know more about the Milwaukee Eight Stage III kit, check this out. I know when I was first dreaming about a Stage III kit, I looked high and low for every bit of information I could find. Well, in this video, I'll show you general information about the Stage III kit, I'll give you the exact details of how I put mine together, and you'll get to see and hear it. The Milwaukee Eight Stage III kit takes the engine from 107 cubic inches to 114 cubic inches, bumps the compression up to 11:1, and adds a more aggressive cam. One thing to think about is whether or not you want to retain the original warranty. If you do, you have to keep all the emissions, you have to use the Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle Pro Street tuner, and you have to have the dealer do the work, and they have to do it within 60 days of when you buy the bike. That's the route I took. I wanted that peace of mind. I didn't want to have to worry about anything. I wanted to know that I could just ride the bike and enjoy it fully without any questions whatsoever. If you're not concerned about your original warranty, those restrictions don't apply. You can do whatever you want.
So what do you get with a Stage III kit? You only get the engine parts. You get the cylinders, pistons, rings, valve springs, cam bearings, tappets, upgraded clutch springs, and a few gaskets. Because you only get the engine parts, you need to add a few things to it. You need a high flow intake so the engine can breathe. I went with the Arlen Ness Monster Sucker. You need high-flow slip-ons to get rid of the exhaust gases. I went with the Vance and Hines twin slash kit. You need a Screamin Eagle Pro Street tuner for loading the new fuel map onto the ECU. And you need a few miscellaneous gaskets and some oil. As I mentioned, I wanted to retain the original warranty, so I had the dealer do all the work. When they did that, they installed the Screamin Eagle fuel map onto the ECU. And that fuel map is based on using all Screamin Eagle parts. But as long as you use good quality high flow parts, you shouldn't have any problems. That map works great for me with the parts I've chosen. I've had no issues whatsoever, and I've been very happy with it.
Now, I also mentioned about having the dealer do the work and retaining the factory warranty and all of that. Well, at some point down the road when my factory warranty expires, I'll probably do some other things to it. I know there's more power to be had, but for now I'm going to leave it alone, let that factory warranty be in place, and then later on down the road, I'll have some more fun with it. So I'll also tell you a funny story. When I went to pick the bike up, when I had the Stage 3 kit put in, I did all my paperwork to pick it up. The service technician went in the back to get the bike. I was standing around waiting, and I hear this bike crank up. It's the most amazing sound, and it actually sort of startled me when I heard it. I thought, whose bike is that? I'm standing there waiting, figuring my bike will come out sometime soon. Lo and behold, that was my bike with the Stage 3 kit on it. It absolutely blew me away from the first second that I heard it run. And in riding it all these months since then, it's continued to be a pleasure, and it has not disappointed in the least. I know I probably sound like the ultimate fanboy, and that's because I am. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting anything from Harley-Davidson for this. I'm just telling you what I've experienced, and I absolutely love it. It's a great kit. It performs really well, and I'm nothing but satisfied with it. And it makes it even better, like I said before, that I know there's more power to be had, and when the time is right, I can tap into that too. Drop in a comment and let me know if you have a Stage 3 kit, or if you're thinking about getting one, or a Stage 4 kit, or a 1 or a 2. Please share in the comments. I'm sure the rest of the community would enjoy that as well. Please also subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. And if you found this video useful or enjoyable, please hit the thumbs up button. I'll leave you with a couple of other clips being out on the road on the Street Bob with the Stage 3. Nothing too rambunctious. As always, thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride. I'll see you next time.